birthday, Pene, and wish you all the best. And sana, sa mga susunod is, ayusin mo na yung pagpili ng ano mo. And also, I'm very thankful for you to be my friend. Kasi syempre, to all the times na pinagdaanan natin, you still be there for me. And hanga ako sa pagiging matalino mo and sa pagiging matapang mo sa mga problems na dumarating sa'yo. So ayun lang, hopefully na stay pretty and mag-grow ka pa na mag-grow. Love you.
Thank you for that, Janine. So next, Candle Eliza Barreto.
Hi Pene. First of all, I want to say happy 8th birthday. Nagkakilala tayo when we became classmates that year, grade 11. And to be honest, nung una, di ko alam kung magiging close na kita. Kasi first impression ko sa'yo, mataray, masungit. But as times goes by, iba ka pala sa iniisip ko. I realize what type of person you are. Maingay ka. Totoo yun. We're not in a bad way. Kasi, in a good way. Kasi grabe yung sense of humor. Nakakatuwa. And you're a very sociable person. Very friendly. Lalo na sa akin. Hindi ko yung nakaala yun. And lastly, wala kang pake sa iniisip ng ibang tao about sa'yo. And that's what I like about you. You have a strong mentality. You're also very confident. So even though madalas tahimik lang ako kasi introverted ako, you're one of the few people who will try to associate me, which I'm very grateful for. Ito na nga yung wish ko sa'yo. I wish you succeed in life and continue being who you are, the kind, pretty, and gracious person that I know. Nandito lang kaming mga Sam Fs nakasupport sa'yo. Forever Sam yun! And lastly, I wish you all the best and good luck to your stepping stone to adulthood. Again, happiest birthday.
Thank you, Liza. Third candle, Macy Colantes.
Hello, Penelope. Happy 18th birthday. It's so overwhelming to be here tonight, and I'm so happy that you turned 18 with love and grace. I hope that you will continue to grow with love and grace. And thank you for being there when I was at my lowest. You were the only one who've seen me. Because as you know, na hindi talaga ako showy na tao na ipapakita ko pag hindi ako okay. Then when I was crying, you gave me a piece of cake. Then ayan, that really cheer up talaga ako doon. So thank you so much for being one of the sweetest girls I know. I hope that 18 will treat you better than the past 17 years ever did. And I hope that you continue being the most beautiful person with both love and brains as well as beauty. And I hope that you continue to do the things that makes you feel happy and loved. And I hope that you will soon meet the person or the people that will stay in your life. That's all. Happy 18th birthday. I love you so much.
Thank you, Macy, for that very touchful message. Next, let's call on Farah Gonzalez.
evening po sa family and friends ni Pene, and happy birthday, Pene. So today is all about you, and we are gathered here today to celebrate your special day. And as you turn a year older, I hope you will continue to pursue your dreams and passion with courage and determination. I believe that you will achieve great things in life, and I will be here along with our friends to support and take care of you. I hope this birthday is a chance to reflect on how far you've come and to look forward to all the amazing things you'll create in the years to come. Again, advance happy birthday.
Thank you for that message, Farah. Next candle, Cassandra Carcalias.
Hi, Penelope. Thank you for inviting me today at your 18th birthday. I'm so happy and glad na nakilala kita and naging friends tayo. Naging part ka ng buhay ko. Lalo nung grade 11, simula nung naging mag-seatmate tayo and halos naging mag-close tayo. Lagi ako may kasamang umuwi, lagi ako may kasamang kumain sa grade 5. Thank you kasi ikaw yung nagpalakas ng loob ko at naging masaya yung journey ng grade 11 ko nang dahil din sa'yo. Ikaw yung tipong clown, laging pinapatawa ako, lagi ako sinasamahan, chinicheer ako. And I'm so happy kasi nakilala kita. And naging classmate kita. Hanggang ngayon magkaibigan pa rin tayo. I wish you all the best. Lagi ka maging masaya, maging lumaban ka lang sa buhay. Yan, magiging cheerful mo. And sana, matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And with your family, gabayan mo rin sila, ingatan mo, at mag-iingat ka palagi. Mahal na mahal kita, at saka hindi kita makakalimutan bilang kaibigan ko. I love you.
Thank you, Cassandra. Next, Paula Castillo.
Hi, Pene. Nung nagkakalala tayo nung grade 11, first day. Nung inaya kita magpalit ng pads, kasi nga wala pa akong clothes. Tapos ikaw yung naisip kong... Ikaw yung naisip ko. Kasama. May legal age ka na, ayusin mo na yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Kasi alam mo na kung saan ka mapapadpad. Pero okay lang. Kahit sa susunod pa. I love you.
Thank you, Paula. Next, Queenie Orpilla.
Hi, Penelope. Happy Legality. Your final 8. Kahit sa October pa talaga birthday mo. Advance happy legality na lang. I'm so happy to call you my friend. Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan tayo naging close at kung paano. Ewan ko, bigla na lang tayo nagkwentuhan. Siguro dahil friends mo yun yung friends ko. Pero somehow, naging constant ka na sa life ko. You've always been there for me, whether for deep talks, mindless kikas, or even girly things. Isa ka sa reason kung bakit nag-improve ang makeup skills ko and nagkwento ko sa'yo even about the most personal things. I love you for that. I really appreciate how you always listen, understand, and never judge. Welcome to adulthood. I know you'll handle all the challenges well. Nandito lang ako. I'm always happy for you. And I can't wait to make more memories with you. I hope you'll enjoy the special night. I love you so much.
Thank you, Queenie. Next, Lasher Avendaño.
Hi, Pretty, my baby, my sister and ate, bunso, and my best friend. Happy birthday. And first of all, I just want to thank you for everything. Lalong-lalo na sa mga oras at panahon na sobrang down na down ako. Ano ba? You always there for me. Nanginginig ako. Ngayon ko masasabi sa harap ng mga marami, sa lahat ng tao dito, na meron akong best friend na nakakayang intindihin lahat ng karupukan at katangahan ko pagdating sa love. At kayang supportahan sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi ko na-expect na dadating ka sa buhay ko, and hindi ko din na-expect na maging sobrang close at best friend kita. Second, gusto kong mag-sorry kasi sa lahat ng in-advise mo sa akin pagdating sa love, hindi ko nasunod. Mahal ko talaga. And pero to be honest, sobrang thankful ako kay God na meron ako ikaw, na meron akong kaibigan o kapatid na masasandalan at maiiyakan kapag broken ako or napupunta ako sa mga problema na hindi na talaga kinakaya. Always remember my bebe na mahal na mahal kita. Enjoy your day. Smile ka lang palagi. Sobrang pretty mo today. At araw-araw. Always pray ka lang na sana gabayan ka ni God sa pang-araw-araw mo. I love you so much. Again, happy birthday, my baby.
Thank you, Lasher. Next, Julia Sekina, who is not present today, but someone will share her message by Paula Castillo.
From Juliana. I wish for you to be happy, not just tonight, but always. You deserve all the love, kindness, and care you give to everyone else. The way you show up for people, the way you make others feel seen, supported, it's something special. I hope life treats you in the best possible ways. You've earned it. I wish you the best and welcome to your new journey. Love, Julie.
Thank you, Paula. Next, Claire Kayana.
Hi, friend. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Alam ko, October yung birthday mo. Sunod-sunod yung birthday natin ng October, di ba? And sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Lahat ng mga achievements mo and nung maliit ka pala sa'yo talaga. Sobrang ulit, sobrang lipo, at sobrang napakayakin pag binibiro ng mga pinsan. Pero, ma-wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng mga achievements mo matupad, ay lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo matupad at mahal kita. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mikay. Next, Hazel Basagre. Hazel Basagre. So, good evening. Happy birthday, Pen. I know di tayo masyadong close kasi malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Pero bilang pinsan mo, wish ko lang sa'yo para sana matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay and na makapunta ka sa ibang bansa at matapos mo yung course na gusto mo talagang matapos, yung nursing. Welcome sa pagiging legal age. Sana ayusin mo yung mga decision mo sa buhay at magtapos muna ng pag-aaral. I know na normal yung mga lalaking dumarating sa atin. Pero wag mo nang seryosohin yung mga ganung bagay. Sana tapusin mo muna yung pag-aaral mo bago mo mag-stick ka sa isang lalaki. Yun lang. Sana mahanap mo yung the one mo. Sana maka-move on ka na sa kung sino man yung lalaking kinikwento mo sa akin. Hindi mo makalimutan yun. Yun lang. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you, Hazel. Next, Juliana Yanto.
Hi, Penny. Happy birthday. Yan, finally, you're already turning 18. I hope na maabot mo yung mga dream mo and syempre dapat focus ka lang sa studies mo. Always put studies as your first priority ha. Dapat second priority na kung ano man yun. And syempre dapat nasa priority mo pa din yung studies mo. Saka dapat maging mabait ka. Wishing you all the best. Love you.
Thank you, Juliana. Next, Katrina Gonzalez.
Hello, Pen. Happy 18th birthday. My wish is for you to be happy and be successful
in life. I also hope and wish for you to have every best thing life can offer. Mahal ka namin. Happiest birthday.
Thank you, Katrina. Next, Samantha Zacarias.
Hi, hello. Happy 18th birthday, Panana. Grabe, debut mo na ngayon. Grabe. Dati, nagbabardagulan tayo. Pero ngayon, nag-shining shimmering ka na. So, I have a simple wish for you. I wish that may life bring you journeys worth remembering, a love that feels like home, and strength to keep going through the challenges in your life. Keep being the amazing and unique person you are today. May God be with you always, give you wisdom and strength, and guide you to the right path where you will find your happiness. I wish you the happiest birthday. Keep shining.
Thank you, Samantha. Next, Daniel Paloma.
Happy birthday, everyone. Today is a special milestone, a step down into adulthood. With all its ups and downs and everything in between, keep making us proud. Keep your head up high and good luck to your journey ahead. Know that the people that love you the most will always stand by your side.
Thank you, Daniel. Next, Princess Zacarias.
No. Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda kong pinsan. Wait lang, hindi ako ready. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng kahit ano. Basta yun, happy birthday.
Thank you, Princess. And this is the last candle and the most special one. The only sister of our debutant, Pamela Gonzalez.
Hello, Ben. Happy 18th birthday. Ngayon, 18 ka na. Sana di mo nakawayin. Kahit araw-araw tayo nag-aaway. Minsan, wag mong kalimutan na mahal pa rin kita. At wag kang maibiyang lumapit sa akin kapag may problema ka. Ayun. Tapos, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Tapos, sana maging masaya ka lang. Maging masaya ka sa bawat desisyon na magagawa mo sa buhay. Yun lang.
Thank you, Ate Pamela. Let's give a round of applause to all the beautiful and touching messages of our 18 candles. Okay, so I hope na this evening, alam ko na nagugutom na ang lahat. Let us have a